Okay, I'm walking down the hall into my living room. I'm going to try to make this short. Anyway, here is the tarp. Over here, behind the love seat, there is a blower running. This water area got much worse. Scan over. Now this wall at the chimney or at the fireplace is the only wall that actually has paneling on it, and then it's painted white. So we're going to go, here's the opening to inside, and so here's the paneling, and he had to remove that. It was getting wet. This is a lathe wall behind it. Here's the dehumidifier. My carpet is all pulled out. Some of this is wet. The bottom of the wall had to be pulled out. It was wet, along with a much larger area of, oh my goodness, of my ceiling. And this is all tarped in. This is a pretty large area. And those marks are just the glue marks that the paneling was glued onto. And that still is the lathe wall that is still there. And so, not sure if you can see back down in there. But there's no ceiling in here. I had to pull out all the wet debris that was still here until I got to some dry wood. My poor cats, they're just having a fit. They are just not happy. Oh look, Mickey just came in here because I'm in here. What, Mickey? I don't want you in here, silly. That's Mickey, if you guys remember, one of the feral kittens that I rescued. He's a big boy now, very handsome. But, so this is... Oh my goodness. This is a lot. But at least all the debris has been cleaned up now. So, the carpet pulled out. It was just too saturated, and for mold prevention and any other dangers. So this is where we're at now. Let me turn around here. You can get the view from my fireplace. And again, the dehumidifier. And I am on a cement slab. My home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath stick home. So I'm going to come back out. And that's why my furniture is pulled forward, because I was worried about that area. That's all actually fresh water marking from yesterday that now is turning brown. It's drying from the dryer, and they will be back out today. All right, until the next update. So here's the rest of my living room. And where's Mama Kitty? There she is. There's Mama Kitty. Here's Mickey at my feet. What, Mickey? You're okay. Yeah, you're okay, Mama. They're getting a little more comfortable with it. The noises and the tarp, and but they were really frightened. And crying out until, you know, I started coming out here and reassuring them everything's okay. But we'll be good. We're okay. Okay. Until the next update.